Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well at home. Now we are going through with fourth chapter physical education and sports for CWSN. CWSN means children with special need. In Indian language we can say Divyang child, special child, right? Earlier we have discussed about concept of disability of disorder, right? Now 4.2 point is disabilities. Disability, its types, cause and nature, cognitive and intellectual, physical disabilities. First of all, we have three types of disabilities: cognitive disability, intellectual disability, and physical disability. Disability affect a person of many way. Many people get affected by birth or an accident during lifespan. Normally, disability is classified by in three categories. Fine. One is cognitive disability, intellectual disability, and physical disability. Point one is कॉग्निटिव डिसेबिलिटी. कॉग्निटिव डिसेबिलिटी होती है जो जिसके बारे में हम ज़्यादा हमें नहीं समझ आती, जिसका हमें ज्ञान नहीं होता. दिस टाइप ऑफ डिसेबिलिटी कम इन मेंटल डिसऑर्डर कैटेगरी. इन दिस कंडीशन अ पर्सन डिसेबिलिटी टू लर्न, स्पीक, मेमोराइज, solving skills and disturbed due to cognitive disorder. The person suffer from dementia and Delmerin disease. In addition, it affect advisory to memorizing power and reasoning power. Memory disorder. In this, we have memory disorder, hyperactivity, and dyslexia. Memory disorder: the person who have problem of reasoning and then recall things. Then hyperactivity: the person tend to hyper during sitting, standing, face. The person remain in undue hurry. जल्दबाजी में रहता है बिना किसी कारण के भी. He cannot stable. Dyslexia: the person who find problem in reading, writing, and memorizing. Just like that, you seen movie that Tare Zameen Par, the child with suffering from dyslexia. The cause of cognitive disability. What is the cause of cognitive disability? Cognitive disability normally occur due to problem of brain like tumor, head injury, shock, infection, harmful brain neurotoxin, heredity, or any other brain related disease. It affected a person memorizing power, learning skill, and ability to do routine activity, like in a case of tumor or head injury on the part of brain which controls speech control can affect the speaking skill of the person. In the same way, if brain tumor head or head injury on the part of brain which can hamper of physical movement or during physical activity. इसमें दो तरह के होते हैं. अगर दिमाग के किसी एक हिस्से में हमारे लग जाती है चोट ना, तो वो आदमी को बोलने में होती है, पैरालाइज हो जाता है, बोल नहीं पाता. ठीक है, फिजिकली उसको प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाती हैं, ब्लड सर्कुलेशन होता है. जैसे दूसरा, वो स्पीकिंग में अपनी बात को कहने में थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्टी रहती है. देन द intellectual disability, it is also related with brain, right? It is a mental disorder disability. Intellectual disability is related to a person thoughts, memorizing, understanding, and solving problem. It is the type of disability in which people or children have less capacity to learn task or processing information. It can cause difficulty in reasoning and analyzing things. In this disability, the person have difficulty to take in information or communication. This disability normally occur due to age before 18. Mental disability is a kind of disability in which person brain nerve get damaged due to tumor, Head injury is sudden shock, infection, harmful brain metastasis. In the case of damage, nerve affect advisory that connected brain parts, like other cells, brain cells once dead cannot be reproduced again. That cause the person in the mental disability. Mental disability is the stage in which a person intellectual disability increase in comparison to a normal person. The system arises during stage of developing caused by intellectual disability. Intellectual disability is a condition which usually arises at pre-birth, in childhood, and cause adversely in the functioning of brain. Then we have few reason for this. One is genetic reason, second is during pregnancy, problem at the time of birth, problem after birth, poverty and culture deprivation. These 4 points we have जिनके कारण ये प्रॉब्लम्स भी क्रिएट होती है. Then physical disability. Physical disability is a condition that affect the person mobility or movement. This is totally related with our physical activity. हमारे शरीर की जो भी मूवमेंट होती है हमारे शरीर से रिलेटेड है डिसेबिलिटी. फिजिकल डिसेबिलिटी कैन बी सीन, ये देखी जा सकती है. इट्स वी कैन फील कि हाँ भी समथिंग इज रॉन्ग देयर, दैट्स वाई ही रिएक्ट और रिफ्लेक्ट्स लाइक दैट. It restricted normal physical activity. When a person get injured or lost limbs in accident, then its effect can be seen on affected part of the body. Physical disability refer to a person sitting, walking, jumping, doing any movement or person affected by such problem is known as physical disability. Physical disability can be by birth or after birth. Newborn physical disability refer to a bended hand and legs and underdeveloped organs. Childhood problems result in physical disability in future. Many type of physical disability are caused due to heredity also. It runs through generation to generation. Sometime any physical disability are caused by disease, accident, injuries, damaging or respiratory system during surgery result in damaging cells which cause physical disability. All those person come in physical disability category which is affected by part of the body damage. Disability of backbone. This kind of disability, now in this we have few disabilities. Disability of backbone. This kind of disability is either by birth or due to any accident. Sometime it cause lifetime disability. Head injury, hearing impairment, vision impairment. What is the cause of disability? Various kind of disability are caused due to following reason. We have so many reasons: heredity, environment, lifestyle, careless during development, delivery, due to drugs. Many pregnant women consume alcohol or smoke during drugs that can cause intellectual disability in the baby in womb. Right? Paralysis due to brain injury, polio, losing the limbs in accident, underdeveloped baby organs. These are the few causes of disability. Other general cause, we have so many causes. Other general cause, genetic cause, mental health problem, accident, malnutrition, illness, lack of education, poverty, infection diseases, use of intoxicant and drugs, distributions of endocrine glands, poor approach for your health, poor approach to health care. These are the main cause of physical disability. Nuclear accident, toxic material, pesticide and intersectant. Nuclear incident in 1979 to 1986, the American and Ukraine, many people suffered due to nuclear accident in 1945. During the Second World War, Japan was bombarded by US of nuclear bomb. In this kind of attack, there is a huge ill effect due to chemical radiation involved from those bomb. Till recent time, the children born such as affected place are infected with Down syndrome. At such place, the children born there are born to such physical and mental disability. Then toxic material, pesticide and various products are having a lead which have serious ill effect on the person's health. Toxic material, pesticides and cause disability, and newborn child is infected. That is why few toxic material are harmful for human brain. This damage the brain fully, which can cause brain disability. Nature of disability. No person want to live life as a disable or physical challenge. Unfortunately, whoever get disable is not accepted well by the society. In society, people view towards a disabled person is not good, and these people are considered as a curse. Curse मतलब होता है बद्दुआ. It is a wrong concept. To resolve this problem, the family, friends and close one of the disabled person should learn to accept the disability and behave normally with disabled person like we do any other person. That increase the confidence of disabled person, and the affected person does not consider him her curse. Since last few years, the effect of innovative and by NGO, non-government organization, other government agency to bring the disabled person to mainstream and progress mood. Actually, disabled person need only proper care and right guidance and opportunity. The disabled person have proven their credentials and in the field of education and many other area of work. Today, there are many disabled persons with inspire millions of common people to excel their respected work area. There are no two opinion about this, that nothing can stop disabled person to success in life. One thing is keeping in the mind that if any person having disability, then that person would be having a many special talent also. Only one thing is needed to recognize that talent, polish the talent and give ample opportunity to prove himself. Right? This is the only we have to do.